Here is a quick preview of what your desktop will look like by end of this video. Elegant area and something like Windows Vista. A beautifully styled start menu, retro icons and even original Vista themes, all without slowing down your PC. Let's dive in. All download links and credits are given in the description below. Just check them out. Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll guide you step by step how to transform your Windows 11 look into Windows Vista. So it's not an actual release from Microsoft, it's a customization video. We will be using a custom theme and a custom icon pack to make our Windows 11 look like Windows Vista. So let's start. First thing first, we have to create a restore point. In case anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using restore point. And then here you need to select local disk C, then click on create and give it a name and then click on create. This theme is created by Link Vegas. This theme is called Windows Vista Modern for Windows 11. So I'll guide you step by step how to install it. Then we need to install this software called SecureX theme tool. Just unzip this tool. This step is compulsory. You must have to do this step or else theme will not work on your system. Then you need to cut this folder into C drive and open this folder. Here you can see the theme tool. Just right click on it and then run it as administrator, then click on yes and now click on OK. Okay, now you need to check these two boxes and then click on install. It will require reboot to complete the process. Just check these boxes and click on install and reboot your system. After that your system is ready to install the custom theme. Here you can see the custom theme file. Just unzip this theme file and go to this theme folder, and here you can see the Windows 11 theme. Just here is two theme available, dark theme or light theme. Choose whatever you want. I'll show you both of them how to install it. Just go to local disk C, Windows and search resources folder. Here you can see resources, then go to theme folder and first we have to copy this dark theme. Copy this and paste it into here, and then we're going to copy the light theme as well and copy this and paste it here. Okay, now we need to apply the theme. Just go to C drive and here you can see the SecureX theme tool file, and here you can see the theme tool. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. Okay, now choose the theme, whatever theme you want. Here you can see the Vista Modern Light and just select the theme and click on apply. Okay, it will apply the light theme. Now here you can see the Windows Vista Modern. Just select that one and click on apply. It will apply the dark theme. I'd like to use the dark theme. Okay, now we need to install the icon pack. In theme folder, here you can see the 70sp icon pack folder. To use this icon pack we need another software called 70sp. Just unzip this file and rename it EE to exe and then run this tool, run as an administrator, and then click on add custom pack and go to Windows Vista folder, Windows Vista Modern Edition folder. Here you can see the 70sp icon pack. Just open it and you need to select this icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the process. I'll be right back after complete the process. Okay, so installation process has been complete. Click yes to reboot your system. Okay, now icon pack installation has been complete. Just click OK. Here you can see the icon pack, new icon pack icon has been changed now. Now we need to install a software called Start All Back. Just install for me and then just and here you can see this pop-up. Just close this, click on here and click on properties, and then click on start menu and turn this off, and then go to go to explorer, and then select Windows 7 command bar and go to taskbar, turn it off and click on restart now. Okay, here you can see the Windows Explorer has been changed now. Now we need to install this software called Blurmica to add some acrylic effect on your Explorer. Just unzip this release folder and cut this folder into C drive, and then open this release folder, go to release folder, and here you can see the register. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then click on OK. So it will apply some acrylic effect on your computer. Okay, now we need to make some changes. Go to release folder, go to config and change show line true to false, and click on file and then click on save. Okay, if you want to start menu and taskbar also look like Windows Vista, please check the links are given in the description box. I hope you like this video. For more video, please subscribe to my channel.